Studying law at Birkbeck has been one of the most fruitful adventures that I can think of in my life so far, and I don't regret a single moment of it.
One thing I was quite surprised with was I thought it might be a lot more older students, but in fact there's quite a few people who are, in their early 20s, doing this as an alternative to a daytime university course. So there's quite a range of ages and backgrounds of people here.
Birkbeck had an amazing programme that was really well thought of. I could fit it around my life. I could do it in the evenings while working full time and developing my skills, and I thought it was almost too good to be true that there would be a university that would provide me all of this support whilst I was working full time.
Law is this incredibly rich tradition. We think of statutes, we think of laws that government and parliament pass down, but actually so much of law comes from cases, individual moments of dispute, and from those individual moments of dispute, the courts and the judges come up with new legal principles. And one of the things that students learn through this process is not just what the rules are per se, but how they're formed and how to use them, think about them, and even argue and engage with them. And so those are the kinds of skills that I think you really learn on the LLB.
And it might seem like a really long day, going and working full time, or going and spending your day doing your thing and then going to study. But you're so much more capable than what you give yourself credit for. If you do that, and if you push yourself, you will find that you're actually able to adjust to a more hectic schedule, and you can get much more out of your time, out of your 3 or 4 years at university, than you would have thought possible, and you wouldn't be able to do that anywhere else.